Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace spark plugs. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your engine is completely cool to the touch. Next, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery to prevent any accidental electrical issues. Gather all your necessary tools, including a 5/8 inch or 13/16 inch spark plug socket, a ratchet, and various extensions. Also, have your new spark plugs, dielectric grease, and anti-seize compound on hand. Now, let's access those spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing any engine covers or air intake components that might be blocking your view or access. Once clear, you'll see the ignition coil packs, usually sitting directly over each spark plug. Disconnect the electrical connector from each coil pack by pressing the release tab. Then, use a 10mm socket to unbolt and gently remove each coil pack, setting them aside safely. With the coil packs removed, it's time for the spark plugs themselves. Insert your spark plug socket with an extension into the cylinder head, carefully engaging the plug. Gently loosen and remove each old spark plug. Before installing the new ones, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads and a dab of dielectric grease inside the boot. Hand tighten the new plugs, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to approximately 15 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Now, carefully reinstall each ignition coil pack, bolting them down securely. Don't forget to reconnect all the electrical connectors to their respective coil packs, ensuring they click into place. Next, reattach any engine covers or air intake components you removed earlier, making sure everything is snug. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, double-check your work, and start your engine to confirm everything is running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.